how to share Bible verses and verse of the day with your friends that may not be on the Bible app already. So I'm already in the Bible app here. I'm just going to click on the verse of the day for today. And as you can see down here on the bottom of the screen, we have some options. We have a heart where we can love the verse. We have a share button, and we have a more button. You can create an image, compare versions, and then also this share button will allow you to choose what you do. So you can simply copy this from here and then take it over and log into your Facebook account and copy it that way, and share it that way. Or you can create an image from this. See, it has some already created for you up here. So I'm going to click on one of these that's already created. Let's see. I think that I like this one. So here we can save to our profile. And then we can also click on that button, the little share button, where here it gives you the option that you can send it in Messenger, or you can send it in many other ways down here, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Facebook just to show you. Now it gives me the option for newsfeed, profile picture, groups, or story. So I'm going to click newsfeed, and then it will take me into Facebook and go ahead and add it up there for me. I believe that you can erase this if you would like, and it will just have the picture, or you can leave it there so people can see the Bible app link as well. And that is how you can share it on Facebook. And now I'm back in the Bible app. You can create your own image. You can have all the choices of all these images here, or you can upload your own if you click here. I don't know what pictures I have on there, so I'm going to leave that off there. But then you can also click back on there, and like I said, you can text it to people, which is what these first ones are. You can send it in Messenger. You can save it to your Google Drive. And there's all these options available to you to be able to send this. And that gives you more apps there. And that's how you do the verse of the day. But if you're in the Bible and you want to do this, we'll just click this verse. I'm going to save it first. I'm going to click it again. And then I'm going to click the share button. Same thing. I can copy the verse and take it over and drop it into an email, a text message, or on any of my socials. Or I can go here. Let's see what it does here for Facebook as well. So there, it gives you a little less options to add it. So it's bringing it up here, but it's wanting people to go right back into the Bible app and read that verse. But if I click on here and paste, because I had copied it, then it will copy it in there for me. Now you can always leave the NIV Bible app part here, or you can take it out. Oops, I went too far. So let's just go ahead and remove it all. I can paste it back in, and then I can move things around as I want to decide what I'd like to add into this. And then of course you would hit next if you would like to go ahead and post it up on Facebook. The same is true for all of your socials, and that is how you can share the Bible app with people who are not on the Bible app. So again, you can do this with a verse. You can also take that verse and create an image. Now, since I started with the verse, an image is not already created. Now, what's really cool about this is if you would like to create your own, it gives you many options. You can change your text. You can change the size of your text, and we will go over that more in a different video. I just today wanted to show you how you could share this information with your friends who may not already be in the Bible app. You can take it straight from your Bible app and take it over to your favorite social media, or send it via text message, email, or however you like to communicate. Hope that was helpful for some of you, and I hope you have an awesome, blessed day.